Our closet is a disaster. We didn't do a great job of unpacking it when we moved into this house, and now it's time to organize it. And today I'm using the KonMari method, and if you don't know what that is, basically there's 4 points. Does it spark joy? Is it necessary? Does it work? And does it have a designated place to live? And everything you touch, you ask yourself those 4 questions. And if it doesn't pass, then it's time to go. And that's what I did today. I downsized.
It's not what you think, it's not what you think. And yeah, I'm alright. But you say we should meet, you say we should meet. And I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with you. Need some time, and time to start healing, some time to start feeling it. Yeah, I'm just fine, but it finds all I'm feeling, and time's all it's healing. And I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with.
So obviously that took a lot longer than what it seems like in this video when it's sped up 20 times. But the point is that it's super satisfying to watch it go from really messy to super organized and downsized. I hope you're inspired, I hope you're motivated, and I hope you feel like you can tackle a big mess in your house or in your life. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I love having you guys comment and hearing what you have to say about the videos, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm caught up, caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in the middle with. I don't wanna get caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up, I'm caught up in